Hello my friends, and welcome back to Homesteading Northern Michigan. Today we're going to be milling up this 8-foot log here. It's not a very big one. I would say maybe 12-inch in diameter, but we're going to make some 1x. I do have some other pieces I want to slab up. This one will probably make some good slabs because it's got that piece of burl in there, and then from here on out on the rest of the tree it's all windy, so I'm going to be slabbing that stuff up. But as for right now, let's get this Woodland Mills HM122 fired up and cut some boards. I had somebody ask how easy this is to start. This is a cold start on her. I turn it in the on, turn the choke on, and I'll give it some throttle. Then I move the choke over. I'll hold it for a minute till it gets a little bit warm here. And then I'll set everything up to make a pass. Alright, this is all sapwood. Maybe not all of it, but very close to it. There was a lot of bug damage on this side, so as you can see here. So I just wanted to skin it. We're gonna flip it. Here we go. We have got her skinned, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and get this. Hopefully this is center on the other side. Let's go take a look, because I didn't try and jack it up or anything to make it line up like that. It's a fairly straight log. Not really. Yep, we're going to flip it. This is dead center over here, so we're going to turn it sideways, and that'll give us our pith there in the middle. So we're going to cut it right down the middle, and then we're going to board them up this way. So I think before I do that, I should take this semi-live edge piece off be some project wood. So I'm going to cut that inch off real quick, then I'll turn it and split her in half. Alright guys, here we go. We got our 2 pieces of cherry here. This is the bottom side of the live edge-ish slab. See, we got a crack going down there. That's beautiful right there. That is some beautiful stuff. So we're going to turn this sideways and we're going to split it right down the middle. Alright, so we just took the cut to true it up here. So very thin cut off the top. It was pretty straight. I'm actually pretty surprised. So what we're going to do now is just board it up. We'll have some rift cuts and some quarter sawn pieces. friends. So we got her cut. And I ended up with quite a bit more than I originally had thought I was going to end up with. I did go with 3/4 inch boards instead of 1 inch boards. Ended up with 16 1-inch boards. And then over here we have one 1-inch slab. Then we have the 2 leftover pieces, which are both 1 inch also. You see how the slab looks fairly good. It'll darken with age, like all cherry does. We'll end up getting dark like the stuff underneath it. You see the difference between the two. Well, my friends, if you like what you're seeing and you want to see a little bit more, go ahead and hit that thumbs up after hitting the subscribe button. And we'll see you on the next one. Peace.